We will continue the chapter Tissue 6 Part 4 on page 74 and 75. In the previous section, we have discussed about plant epithelium tissue. That means outer covering of the plant is called epithelium tissue. Now we are going to learn animals' epithelial tissue. This epithelial tissue is nothing but it is a outer portion. That means main function is to cover and protect the whole body surface, not only outer surface but also internal organs, lining of internal organs. Basically, this animal tissue is divided into four groups, that is epithelial tissue, muscular tissue, connective tissue, and nervous tissues. This epithelial tissue, animal tissue, again further divided into two groups, that is simple epithelial tissues and compound epithelial tissue. Once again, tell me the function of this epithelial tissue. It is to cover and protect our body surface, and also sometimes this epithelial tissue arranged to form, modified to form ducts and glands, and they will perform specified functions like secretion, excretion, absorption, and lubrication. So tell me what is the difference between this simple epithelial tissue and compound epithelial tissue. It is nothing but the simple tissue is made up of single layer, whereas compound epithelial tissue is made up of multiple layer of the epithelial tissue. These epithelial tissue cells are tightly packed and form a continuous sheet. There is no intermolecular space between the cells. Almost we can say very least intermolecular space. We can say this epithelial tissue cells, that is continuous sheet like structure, is an selectively permeable membrane. Through this, transportation of substance take place inside and outside the organs. You know that our body, that is skin, epithelial tissue, that is skin of our body, eliminate the waste materials, that is water and excess salt which are present in our body, eliminated through this layer, semi-permeable layer, that is epithelial tissue called skin. Such simple epithelial tissues are made up of squamous, cuboidal, columnar, and ciliated simple epithelial tissues. I told you that simple epithelial tissue is made up of single layer of cells, but our skin is of compound epithelial tissues, that is multiple layer of squamous epithelial tissue. This is called as stratified squamous epithelial tissue. So our skin is made up of stratified squamous epithelial tissue. Since it is made up of multiple layer, it is called so. Now we come across what is squamous epithelial tissue. This simple layer, squamous epithelial tissue, is made of thin, flat, irregular shaped cells with no intercellular spaces. Such squamous epithelium tissues or cells are found in lining of cavity like mouth, esophagus, nose, and blood vessels, etc. Its function is to protect underlying part of the body from mechanical injury, entering of germs, drying, etc. The next type of simple epithelial tissue is cuboidal epithelial tissue. This shape is, the structure of cell shape is look like a cuboid. And this type of cells are found in kidney tubules, salivary glands, thyroid vessels, and in glands. What is its function? Its function is to absorption, excretion, and secretion. Next comes columnar simple epithelial tissue. This cell look like a pillar-like structure with a nucleus. These are found in lining of stomach, small intestine, lining of gallbladder, oviduct, etc. Its function is to absorption and secretion. The next type of this simple epithelial tissue is ciliated epithelium tissue, which is called modified form of columnar epithelial tissues. This type of cells have cilia on its surface, which senses that hair-like structure is present on the surface, which helps in the movement of particles in the forward direction, which is found in sperm ducts, lining of trachea, bronchi, kidney tubules, and oviducts. And one more modified form of columnar epithelial tissue is glandular epithelial tissues. I told you this single layer modified to form multiple layer of this epithelial tissue and forms glands or ducts. You know two types of gland, ductless gland and ducted gland, which helps in secretion of chemicals. Glandular epithelial tissue also secrete mucus, which is found in nasal passage of our nose. These all are type of simple epithelial tissue which are made up of single layer. And the multiple layer or multi-layer of this epithelial tissue is called stratified epithelial tissue and transition epithelial tissues, which helps for maximum protection for our body. Like skin. Skin is an example of compound epithelial tissue, stratified epithelial squamous tissue.